Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate new Relic AI for automated incident insights, detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate new Relic AI for automated incident insights, begin by logging into your new Relic account. Navigate to the account settings from the main dashboard. In the settings menu, locate the integrations section.
Click on the integrations tab to view available integrations.
From the list, find and select New Relic AI. You will see an option to enable the AI functionality. Toggle the switch to activate New Relic AI. Next, proceed to the configuration settings for New Relic AI. Input any required parameters, such as incident severity levels. Define the notification channels where incident alerts will be sent.
After configuring notifications, proceed to set up data sources.
You can choose from various data sources like APM or server monitoring. Make sure to select all relevant services that you want New Relic AI to monitor. Once data sources are selected, click Save to store your configuration. Next, test the AI configuration to ensure it's functioning correctly. Initiate a simulated incident to verify that New Relic AI captures it. Monitor the incident insights generated by New Relic AI in real time. Evaluate the alerts and insights provided to fine-tune your settings. For optimal performance, regularly review and adjust your AI configuration. Lastly, document your setup process for future reference or team onboarding. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.